Want to start vlogging but not sure which camera to buy? Here are the top 5 best vlogging cameras for beginners that offer great video quality and easy-to-use features. 1. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is the ultimate beginner-friendly vlogging camera featuring 4K video, fast autofocus, a flip-out screen, and background blur control. It's compact, lightweight, and has a built-in microphone for great audio quality, making it perfect for YouTube and social media. 2. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. A favorite among vloggers, the Canon G7X Mark III offers 4K recording, great low-light performance, and a flip-up touchscreen. It also supports live streaming, making it a great choice for content creators who want to go live on YouTube or Instagram. 3. DJI Pocket 2. If you want a super portable vlogging camera, the DJI Pocket 2 is a fantastic option. It has a built-in gimbal for super smooth footage, 4K video capabilities, and a compact design that fits in your pocket. Perfect for on-the-go vlogging. 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black for action vloggers, the GoPro Hero. 12 Black is a top pick. It's waterproof, durable, and shoots 5.3K video with hyper-smooth stabilization, making it ideal for travel, adventure, and sports vlogs. 5. Panasonic Lumix G100. The Panasonic Lumix G100 is a great entry-level mirrorless camera designed specifically for vloggers. It features 4K video, a fully articulating screen, and built-in OZO audio for clear sound, making it a great all-around choice for content creation. These top beginner-friendly vlogging cameras will help you create high-quality videos with ease. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.